Welcome back to GT Auto, the 2025 Lexus LX700h, a full-size luxury SUV that has raised quite a few eyebrows since its release. This latest iteration of Lexus's flagship SUV offers a blend of cutting-edge technology, premium comfort, and impressive off-road capability. The exterior design, the 2025 Lexus LX700h, presents an imposing and sleek stance that commands attention wherever it goes. The front features a bold signature spindle grille flanked by sharp angular LED headlights, which really give the vehicle a modern and aggressive look. The 2025 Lexus LX700h is powered by a 3.5-liter V6 engine paired with an electric motor, together producing a combined output of 437 horsepower. This hybrid powertrain ensures a balanced performance that offers power when you need it, but also the efficiency expected from a hybrid system. The cabin of the LX700h feels like stepping into a world of refinement. Lexus has truly crafted an experience where every detail has been carefully thought out. As for pricing, the 2025 Lexus LX700h starts at around $90,000, but depending on the trim level and additional options, the price can climb to over $100,000. The body lines are clean and precise, adding to its aerodynamic form. Lexus has gone with a more refined approach, especially in terms of its proportions, making it both elegant and purposeful. The materials used are top-notch, with supple leather upholstery, real wood trim, and brushed metal accents creating a sophisticated atmosphere. The front seats are designed with both comfort and support in mind, offering extensive adjustment options including heated and ventilated features. One standout feature in the interior is the massive 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system. It's paired with a 7-inch display for climate and drive settings, ensuring drivers can multitask with ease. The interface is user-friendly and comes with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The engine is mated to a 10-speed automatic transmission, which delivers smooth and precise. In terms of performance, the hybrid setup delivers a blend of power and efficiency, making it not only powerful but also more fuel-efficient compared to traditional gasoline engines. When it comes to off-road capability, the Lexus LX700h doesn't disappoint. Equipped with Lexus's renowned multi-terrain select system, it can adapt to different surfaces, whether it's snow, mud, or sand. The hybrid system's instant torque delivery gives the vehicle a smooth and controlled feel while off-roading, making it surprisingly nimble for its size. In conclusion, the 2025 Lexus LX700h is a well-rounded, luxurious, and capable SUV. If you're in the market for a high-end hybrid SUV, this one should definitely be on your radar. Let me know what you think about the 2025 Lexus LX700h.